Former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte expressed his concern that despite several presidents led the country, there has been no significant improvement. The former president believes that even when new president is elected, the scenario will be just a vicious cycle, risking the future of the next generation. He raised the idea to separate the archipelago of Mindanao from Luzon and Visayas.
Mag-independent tayo, kung kayo ninyo, ako gusto ko na. Nagsawa na ako sa ilang presidente na kasi, walang nangyari sa Pilipinas.
Based on his knowledge, there is a process based from the United Nations to gather signature that will decide to separate Mindanao.
There's a process in that. I think before the UN, where you would gather signatures from all sorts in Mindanao, magpirma, verified under oath in the presence of so many people, decide that we want to separate. Kaya kung ganon lang naman kayo dyan sa Luzon, pati sa Visayas, bahala kayo.
Duterte also stated that even when a separate Mindanao persists, he will not lead the new government. He will leave the governance to existing politicians. He endorses Davao del Norte Representative Pantaleon Alvarez, noting that he was the first to insist the idea of Mindanao secession.
Because si Bebot Alvarez, siya yung talagang pinakauna nagparakad ng mga papel about the desirability of Mindanao seceding from the Republic of the Philippines. Siya yung nanghuna talaga.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.